we all have a time we want to get rid of our acne because it gets irritating that we want to take a goddamn picture, but we got like 3 big ass pimples. You don't know how to get rid of it. There's actually a little solution you could be doing that using Photoshop, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to get rid of any big pore, big old pimples, so you can go look photogenic. You know what? Let's start this video, guys. That's right. I'm gonna teach you how to do that. Boom, mind blowing, huh? For anyone that does not know how to use Photoshop, this is very basic. It's very basic. So even though you have no experience with Photoshop, it's still simple for you to grasp it. Just follow this tutorial and you'll be able to do that for any single photo that you want fixed. So I posted on Instagram a couple weeks ago a picture of before and after picture of when I had just a couple pimples in my face, a little bit big pores, and I put the after that I used in Photoshop just to fix it up and clear up off my face, just to show as an example how powerful Photoshop is. I put a post saying, do you guys want me to show you how I do it, a tutorial? I got a lot of yes, so I'll show you guys how exactly I could do that. So for everyone that put yes, you can eventually know. Obviously you want to open up Photoshop, right? Open Photoshop. I'm actually standing up, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it as me standing up. So first thing you're gonna want to do is obviously you need to have the photo from the phone to the device, if that's what you're doing, for the camera or to the device. So it's very simple. Just connect it to the computer and just export the photo to the laptop or PC, whatever you're using. Now that you got the photo in the actual computer or something, when you see Photoshop, you're gonna be like, God damn, what the fuck do I do here? I'll make it simple and I'll show you the basics exactly how you want to grab the actual photo and just put it like in a desktop or somewhere easy to find. So once you have it right, you want to open up Photoshop. Once you have Photoshop open, you're gonna want to locate the photo and just drag it into Photoshop. So you want to go to select, and then you want to go to select and mask. So you're gonna select the entire area of the face right here. Before, you're gonna want to make a duplicate of the photo in order to mask around it. So do the duplicate and then we'll go to select and mask. So in the settings here, you're going to want to fix the brush size. So now you're gonna actually work around the entire face. So the red mark is what it's going to be out of the mask. So the only thing that's gonna be in the mask is gonna be your entire face, the hair, the neck area, all that's gonna be out, because the only thing we want to fix is the face area to smooth out the acne. So just make it all around, just get the entire face as you see there. As you see, I kind of messed up a little bit, so you kind of have to go back and forth to fix it. You don't gotta make it 100% accurate, but you just gotta make it enough so it could get in the entire face, like the area where it has the most acne and the most pimples. That's where you want to fix. So that's the place you need initially. Be careful and very accurate. Other places that you don't really need it, it's fine. If you mess up a little bit, it'll be good. Okay, so just press OK. There you go. That'll be a perfect mask. So from right there, it creates a little mask for you guys. So the photo on top of the regular photo, it's being masked, and I'm making it not show up so you can see the actual mask of the second photo. So once I make it appear again, it's gonna look like if it's normal, but in reality, we're gonna put all the effects only on the top of the masked photo. So now we're gonna add an effect, and what this effect is, it's a Gaussian blur. So you're gonna go to filter, blur, and choose Gaussian blur. So what that's gonna do is smooth out the face. Literally, it's gonna smooth out the face, and it's gonna make your face look like if there's nothing. Okay, so you want to put a certain amount of Gaussian blur where it doesn't look fake as hell. Now for the Gaussian blur, you see there's a little clicker so you can move the amount you want to put in the actual photo. So you don't want to put too little where you could literally just barely see like if nothing ever happened, or you want to put too much where it looks like damn, that looks fake as hell. You want to put a minimum amount. So the minimum amount that I have for this specific photo, it's good. For every photo that you're gonna want to do, it's gonna be different. So just put a good amount so you can just blur out the acne that you have. As you can tell, the eyes, the nose, everything's completely blurred out, and I know you guys don't want it like that, so we're gonna use the erase tool and we're gonna erase the Gaussian blur that we put in the face. So let's get the tool and let's erase the nose, the eyes, everything that's centralized to be focused as an actual human being. You look into the eyes, the eyebrows, the nose, and the mouth. So that's the main focus. Everything else is smoothed out and it looks good. Now that we use the erase tool to remove that blur, we're gonna add texture back into the face. So we're gonna add noise in order to create that texture back so it doesn't look fake. To create the texture back, you want to click on filter, noise, add noise. So just click on that, and that's going to give us an option to create texture back into the face. As you can see, those areas that we erased, the focus points, they show because that's the area we erased. So that's the area that it's not going to touch. With the noise, you don't want to add even a lot because it literally shows, you can tell very easily you added noise. So you just want to put a little tiny bit where you can see a little bit of texture back into the face. Don't put a lot, a little bit. Alright guys, guys, this is my favorite part. So we're gonna get the spot removal. So what that's gonna do is gonna remove any of the red pimples that you see. They don't look like pimples, they literally just look like red marks, because we literally just added texture, we added blur, so it's covering it, so it just looks like marks. So we're gonna remove all that to make your face look very smooth. Wow, yeah, that's the only thing you gotta do in order to make your face look clear. So any photographer, if you really need a video in order to know how to do that, this is the correct video you should be watching. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to actually save the file so you can prepare for social media or wherever you're gonna upload it online. So you're gonna want to go to File, Export, Save for Legacy. So initially what Legacy is, it's only gonna save the file only precisely to be uploaded online, nothing else, only for online. So Instagram, Facebook, anything you desire. So the only thing you have to look at right here is the type of file and the quality. The lower the quality, the lower the memory. The higher the quality, the higher the space is going to take up. Personally, I say that medium and high is good enough for like Instagram or Facebook, anything you want to upload online. So it just depends on the device you're going to upload it, so how much memory you have. So just choose whatever quality you want. I'll say medium is the best thing you should be doing, or high. So just save it, name it however you want to name it, just put it wherever you want to put it, in the desktop, document, wherever, and then voila, that's the photo. You can start uploading on your social media. There you go, guys.